Hi, today we will teach you how to upgrade the Volkswagen Touareg. Firstly, we will remove the original car screen. Then unplug all the plugs on the back. Secondly, unscrew these 6 screws, remove the top storage box, and then dismantle the entire frame. Thirdly, separate the air outlet bracket from the iron bracket. And then unplug the button plug. Fourthly, we will remove the original car air conditioning button panel. Now that the disassembly is complete, let's start connecting the wires. This is a radio antenna. This is a 4G antenna. This is a GPS antenna. This is the video input cable. This is a USB transmission cable. This is RCA cable. Then connect the fan cable. Now we are connecting the CAN bus box. Then connect the protocol serial port. Reconnect the button serial port. Finally, connect the black power socket. Now we are connecting the air conditioning panel. Then connect the original car plug according to the corresponding size. Reconnect the original car radio plug. Also connect the AUX audio plug. Finally, connect the original car power plug. Now we will install the original car air outlet. Then install the top storage box. Finally, install the car radio. Now that the installation is complete, let's test the functionality. Support original car air conditioning control. Support original car steering wheel button control. Support door switch reminder. Support map navigation. Support FM/AM radio reception. Support online video playback. Supports Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.